So this is a video tutorial for the 910 GMEA All-State Band Etude for the Technical Etude for Bass Clarinet. Sorry, there's a whole lot of words to explain what these things are, so we stutter over them a little bit. So this one, you know, it's a big exercise in concert E-flat, really, so I would get out your F scale, clarinet F scale, and practice it articulated quickly, because you have to tongue kind of quick in this one, right? Kind of practice it that way, just so you can get your tongue up quick. So start slow, something you're comfortable with. And then speed it up with a metronome too. So once you get to measure 4, you can comfortably play, right? And the same thing in measure 8. Measure 5, sorry. You know, the same thing there, so you can comfortably play a slur 2 tongue 2 passage. Right? Otherwise, let's see, there's a few places where you quickly need to go over the break, like in measure 11. So you just want to keep your fingers really close to the keys. Make sure your instrument is working, particularly for bass clarinet. This can be a toughie. So I would really recommend just adjusting your bass, take it into your teacher, take it into a repair tech, make sure it's sealing correctly, because if you have to fight it a whole lot, you're going to waste a lot of your own time. So you just want to make sure your instrument will work well for you and make sure the lower keys are sealing correctly, okay? The same thing in measure 16. You want to comfortably go. You know, so it's not too tough. You just want to make sure your instrument works really well. So keep your fingers close, keep your air really fast, particularly in the articulated passages. Measure 17, beat 3. Getting up to that C really comfortably, okay? So really fast here, keep your fingers really close to the keys, and I hope that's helpful. Good luck.